guys, trust you super well. It's Taz here from QPaint and with this lovely home here in Holland Park that's had a significant transformation. We're going to check it out in just a minute, but I'll run through a few things with you. What happened, what was the process that the boys went through. Now, like I said, it was a significant transformation. It was a completely different color. It was fully oxidized. I needed a thorough clean. There was a lot of lead to be removed. Now this house, unlike most systems, we like to use an oil-based undercoat. So all the boards were oil-based undercoat followed by a fill system, and we used the Dulux Weather Shield and Aquenamel system on this house. I love this color scheme. The clients are over the moon with what it's come up with. Guys have really loved working on this project. There's nothing better than working on a Queenslander and seeing the transformation. Trust me, have a look at the photos, you'll love what you see. But I'm really proud, not just of this job, but of the team. They've done an amazing job. Like I said, the clients are super happy and we're really looking forward to seeing when it's completely finished. If you've got a house that needs painting, specifically a Queensland or post-war house that you know that could benefit from a great transformation just like this one, feel free to reach out to us. The best way to do it is just check us out on our socials at QPaint. You'll see a ton of projects, what we do, how we do it, and you'll see all those transformations that possibly may come true for you. Anyway, stay cool, be well, and as usual, see you on the interwebs. Bye.